Hello friends, good to see you again. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you recover accidentally deleted data from your hard disks. This is one of the very free tool. First, go to the Chrome browser and connect with internet and type there Testdisk and Chrome browser and click Testdisk download, and in the first side you find out that is for a rec. Just click that here to download, or you can choose from here Windows for Windows 64, 32-bit, Mac OS, Linux, DOS, like this. I'm going to download Windows 64-bit. Click here and download. As we started here, you can find out and I'm going to show you on demo how to recover data from this software very easily. Okay, this is totally free version. Done. Go to the show in folder, click here, then after right click and then click show more option, window, and extract the files here and click OK. File has been extracted. Now open this file and here you have to find out this photo rec on the screen. We have to just open this. Okay, right click and run this administrator and click yes. When you open this software, then you will find out these types of display on a PC. Okay, it's like MS-DOS display. Here, first what you have to do is you have to choose the partition where you have accidentally deleted data. Okay, this first is my 256 GB of SSD of the internal hard disk, and this is the external hard disk. Suppose I have deleted data from external hard disk, then you have to select this 500 GB. Okay, or your pen drive. You can choose your pen drive also. Just hit enter and you can find out there the partition with their name. Here is the partition name. Okay, I have the three partition with external backup and all backup. Okay, and suppose I have deleted data from this OS, then what I have to do is click this. Okay, click this the partition. After, here you can find out the source option, and here you have to go this file option. Okay, how can I go that? Just press arrow key from the keyboard, click file option and click OK. And here all files have been selected. Okay, here you have to select what files do you want to recover. Okay, press S to disable file families. Okay, I'm going to press S to disable all. Suppose I want to recover the JPG file only from this disk. Okay, scroll down. Here is the JPG, I think, and we have to press the arrow key. Okay, right arrow key to select, and you have to press B to save setting and click OK. Then after you have to return back. Okay, by pressing the white button. Okay, by hitting the enter. Okay, then after, what I have to do is you have to go back to the source option and click the source for the file Then after here you have to choose order, file system order. Then after I am going to choose here all, because I want to all partitions data, so click that whole. You can find out so many files have been here selected. Okay, and now you have to select a directory. Where do you want to save this file? Okay, if there is so many files, then you may need other external hard disks. Okay, here is my external hard disk, and I'm going to recover these partitions data. Then I want to save this data to this F. Okay, F partition, because if I want to save here, then maybe all the files, record files will be cover this size. Okay, if you are using the pen drive, in that case you may be suffer from low space, so that you have to insert another hard disk. Okay, external hard disk, and you have to select that and go to the app. Then after, to select the directory, press the back, okay, left side arrow like this. Again press now. Here you have to select directory. This is CEFG. Okay, you can find out here the denote letter CEFG. Now let's check the denote letter here. I'm going to set on F, so that let's check if there is F or not. Yes, here is F. You can find F. Okay, then after, if destination correct, then after, what I have to do is you have to press enter. Then after, we have to press C, okay, to copy all the recover files to that drive. Press C, and your data is going to recover in that partitions. Okay, it may take much time to recover all the partitions with data, and this one is the demo to recover data, okay, from this Testdisk software, and hence you can recover your deleted data very easily. Okay guys, if you like my videos, then to follow, second, subscribe. Let me know if your problem fixed or not. Okay, if you are facing problem in pen drive, then insert that pen drive and just follow the steps, and you have to insert again an external hard disk, okay, with free of space, and you have to recover. You will select the hard disk for the recovered files to save. Okay guys, hence you can recover your data with free. I'm going to press stop because I am here doing demo. Stop, and I'm going to press Q to quiet. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.